Now we come to this a query which is very frequently asked, that if I am appearing in CU in 12th class, is candidates normally have 5 or 6 subjects, but in CUT you can appear in up to 10. So sometimes the mismatch happens, or sometimes students appear in more than 6, 7, 8 subjects. So there this query comes to us, that which particular paper I qualify in a particular program with more than one combination. So which combination will be picked? So we have prepared an illustrative example to explain that. So if we, we have taken the example of BA Honors English here. Suppose you, appear in a particular, fulfill the requirement of English Honors. So you register at Samarth and appear in CUET with this combination, which are shown in green. So you choose English from section A. That is good. It's okay. Now you pick 3 papers from B1, list B1, that is history, geography, and economics. That is also okay. It's shown in the green. Now the dashed line which is separating B2 subjects from B1 subject. So this particular candidate has appeared in English, and 3 subjects from B1 and 2 subjects from B2. Now from these total six subjects. Now these 6 subjects will have these possible combinations. Okay, so all the combinations will be considered by the software, all the combinations. Okay, as you can see, the English, history, geography, and economics makes one eligible combination. So similarly, we have 7 combinations which are eligible. Now there are many combinations, which are 3 of them we have listed here. There are 3 combinations which we will not be considering, because that contains 2 subjects from list B2. And I have mentioned, again and again, that you cannot have 2 papers from list B2. Okay, so in such a scenario, you need not worry about the combinations or the n number of combination. Need not worry about that. We will automatically pick the best combination. In fact, we will compare all the combinations and we will consider all the score, and ultimately we will pick your best score to determine your merit and to give you a location in BA Honors English in this particular example. So I have tried to cover all the types of eligibilities, the variations in eligibilities, and the important points which you should consider before filling the CUET form, so that you do not end up ineligible when you apply to the University of Delhi. If you go through the bulletin of information carefully and just find out, make a separate list of the subjects in which you are interested, and then you go through all the programs in which you are eligible, all the programs. Even if you are eligible in 50 programs, you go through the eligibility of all these 50 programs, because in Delhi University they may vary slightly, and there may be some different thing in a different program specific eligibility. So I would suggest that go through each program, make a list, note down in which you might be interested in pursuing your graduation, and then look at the program, make a list. Even if there are 30, 40, 50 programs, do not worry, you have ample time. Need not hurry. You can fill the form up to 12th of March. Almost a month is still there, so do not fill the form in haste. Make a list, prepare, note down all the eligibilities, and and appear in all the papers. I would suggest that all the papers in which you have studied in your class 12.